Hello everyone, this is Vatsal. Today we are going to talk about tuples. Before that, if you're new on my channel, so please hit the like button and subscribe button. Now, let's get started. So, tuple is a data structure in Python. It is a unmutable data structure. So, if you don't know what is mutable and unmutable, so you can check my that video. Okay. So, in Python, generally we have four types of data structure: list, tuple, set, and dictionary. So, in my previous video, I have already talked about what is list. Okay. So, in this video, we are going to talk about what is tuple. So how we can initialize a tuple in Python? For that, we need to first initialize a value. After that, we need to put the bracket. Okay. If you are going to see the type of it using a type function, we can check the type of that variable. Okay. So we are going to check the type. So you can see here this is a tuple type. Okay. This is a blank tuple. Okay, I am going to initialize some value in it. Okay, it is also contain the multiple value like integer, string, float, all these types of value. Okay, if I print the tuple here, now you can see here we got all these value. Okay, so tuple, which function tuple support now? How we can check? We can check here. We can see here tuple support count and index. I have already told you, right? Tuple is an unmutable data structure, so we cannot change it after the initialization. Like if I want to change the value of index 0, okay, now I want to put a 6 in instead of 1. So if I want to change it, you can see here tuple object does not support it. Okay, because it is unmutable and we cannot change the value of it. Okay, but we can access the value. If we want to access the value of index 0, we can do it here, like we got it. Okay, if we want to put a 1 value in it, okay, we just want to put a 1 value here. So after that 1 value, we need to also put the comma. Okay, if we didn't do that, so we will, like, it will be a integer. 1 minute, like you can see here, int does not scriptable because it is not a tuple. Now we didn't put a comma here. Okay, you can you can check the type, it's int. Okay, so if I put the comma here, now it is a tuple. I can access also the value using an index. Here you can see. Okay, now we can also going to use a for loop also. Okay, for loop I range using a for loop. We can also get all these value index because it's a follow the index function also. That's why we can get all the values. Okay, so for this video, this is it. In the next video, we are going to talk about what is what difference between list and tuple. Okay, and this is the most important question in interview, in interview people will ask. Okay, so stay tuned. Goodbye.